Today we're pulling wire and laying pipe. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing all the electrical roughin as well as all the plumbing roughin. Vinny and his crew from RMJ Electric will be into roughing all the electrical for all the switches, pot lights, receptacles, as well as Paul, my plumber, will be into roughin for the 3-piece bathroom. We are also doing now a wet bar, so we're going to be doing the roughin for the wet bar as well, because after all the electrical is done, we're going to call the ESA to have all the electrical inspected. Because after that, we got to do all our spray foam, and then we're going to call for all our municipal inspections as well. So stick around, it's going to be a good one.
Where you murdering the beat? Where you murdering the beat? Beat.
Everybody, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. All the electrical is done, all the rough and plumbing is finished. Tomorrow we are getting spray foam done. They're going to be here bright and early. We got a little bit of cleanup to do. We got a few things to finish up, a few 2x4s to add and whatnot. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. In the meantime, I want to say thank you to all my clients and followers. Thank you for all the love and support. And I just want to remind everybody to stay safe, be healthy, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.